How to make reels on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make Instagram reels. Instagram Reel is a short video clip set to music which can be shared to stories and feed. If you want to create your own, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you want to tap on the Reel tab. From here you can select any photo or video that you want. If you want to record a new one, tap on this camera icon. Now, before you record your reel, here are different tools that you can use. You can put an audio by tapping on this music icon. From here, search whichever music that you want. If you want to add filter, tap on the second icon over here, and you have different filters over here. Search through these tabs and find the best filter for you. Tap on the third icon if you want to use green screen. This is going to change your background. Now you can select the length of your video from here as well. You can also decide your speed. If you want video layout, tap on the video layout option. You also have the option of a timer, so you can set the length of your video from here, and you can also set the countdown. After you have done all of this, you can start recording your video. For that, you want to tap on this circle. Now the countdown will begin and your video will be recorded. Here as well, you have different options to edit your reel. You can also add emojis and do much more. Now tap on the next option once you are satisfied. Now you can write a caption and add hashtags, tag people, add location and do much more. Then tap on the share option. Now your reel has been successfully posted, and this is how you can create an Instagram reel. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.